Very good afternoon. So today on 17th September 2022, I am going to take this class, and topic of today's class is working of application layer, okay, of OSI reference model. Application layer. We will study today the working of application layer in OSI reference model. Okay. So I am drawing the diagram first. This is host or user on sender side. Okay, sender side. Then this is application layer. You know OSI reference model, there are 7 layers. Okay, and you can remember the names of layers as APST, application, presentation, session, transport, network. Bottom 3 layers are network layer. APST means application, presentation, session, transport. These are the top 4 layers. If you are able to recall the names of top 4 layers, then it is not difficult to recollect the names of bottom 3 layers. Network layer, data link layer, physical layer. This is all about on sending end side, and then there is physical medium, something like this, maybe fiber optic cable, coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, physical medium. This is a different topic, physical media. That means it may be wired, unwired, wireless. In wired, there may be coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable. In wireless, again there may be microwave, radio wave, etc. So we are not going into the detail of physical medium in today's class. Okay, just this is a physical medium, and then on receiving end side, again similarly there is host or user, and then there is application layer, then is presentation layer, APST, then is session layer, then is transport layer, and then is network layer, then is data link layer, and then is physical layer, like this, and again this is interacting with physical medium. That means your data is going downward here, coming here, and going upward in receiving end side. Okay, that means human being or host or user starts interaction with application layer. Human being starts interaction with application layer. This is the first and foremost work of application layer. That means application layer provides an interface between host and entire network. Between host and entire network. Now the question arises, I have uploaded another video of physical layer. In that video I have told that physical layer also provides interface. Then this may be an interview question. Physical layer provides interface, application layer also provides interface. Then what is the difference? Okay. So answer is physical layer provides interface between physical medium and network. Physical layer provides interface between physical medium and network, whereas application layer provides interface between host or user and network. Okay. This question is clear? Answer of this question is clear? Okay. Physical layer and application layer both provide interface, but physical layer provides interface between physical medium and network. Application layer provides interface between host or user and entire network. Okay. Now let us see today again this working of application layer. ठीक है, that was the diagram in which application layer was showing with entire network. Now let us see working. So I told earlier that human being starts interaction with application layer. Okay. So firstly interface, and browser is the example. Okay. So through browser application layer provides interface. ठीक है, interface between user and network. Okay. Second work of application layer, it facilitates to access network resources. Okay, this is taken from page 82, Keshav. I am telling you the source also. That means it enables you to access various network resources. Application layer. Third work of application layer is file transfer. Okay. File transfer may be audio, video, text, any type of file. For transferring file through a network, it is the duty of application layer. Okay. In TCP/IP, you know TCP/IP. In TCP/IP, it is FTP. FTP means file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol. File transfer protocol in TCP/IP protocol suite provides the facility of file transfer. Okay. So if I ask you the question that FTP belongs to which layer, then what will be your answer? Application layer. Very good. Application layer. Fourth work is remote login. So it is Telnet. Telnet is the name of protocol. FTP is the name of protocol, which is present where? In TCP/IP. Okay, which provides remote login. So if somebody asks you Telnet belongs to which layer, then what will be your answer? Application layer. Application layer. Very good. because you know the difference between OSI reference model and TCP/IP. I have told this thing in my another video of OSI reference model. OSI reference model is a reference model. That is not actual implementation. TCP/IP is actual implementation. OSI reference model provides a guideline. TCP/IP is actual implementation. While implementing some guideline, anybody may think that I will follow this particular guideline, but I will not follow this particular guideline, or I will modify. So TCP/IP has also done like this. It has skipped few layers, and sometimes it has merged also the working of two layers. OSI reference model is the reference model only. Okay. So that is why protocols exist in TCP/IP, not in OSI reference model. Note it. OSI reference model does not consist of protocols because it is not actual implementation. TCP/IP consists of protocols. So remote login. Login and passwords, etc. This also is provided by application layer. This remote login, this is given in the book of page 38 Stallings. And remote login password which you type, that is also the work of this application layer. Email, chatting, is also the work of this application layer. Okay. So this is the layer which has got this that means minimum working as compared to physical layer, data link layer. These are quite lengthy, but application layer is very small comparatively. So this is all about application layer. I have given you the source also from where I have taken it. Okay. So thank you very much.